I think it's almost a foregone conclusion that they're out there. Take a look at our galaxy. There are 100 billion stars in our galaxy. Now take a look at the galaxies of the universe. We can actually count them. In the visible universe, our telescopes have the range to see 100 billion galaxies. Well, how many stars are there in the visible universe? Count them. 100 billion times 100 billion. That is an astronomical number. You have to be supremely arrogant to believe that we are the only ones in town.
But that's just the visible universe. According to Michio, intelligent life might also exist in other dimensions. He calls this concept of extra-dimensional space string theory.
In string theory, we are forced to confront the idea of other dimensions. It is the only theory which has been able to unify all the laws of physics into a single coherent whole.
String theory proposes the existence of 11 extra dimensions. This might seem crazy, but apparently it allows physicists to make sense of the chaotic universe we live in.
From the top of the Empire State Building, I look down and I see the chaos of the streets, but I see it whole. I can see a unity, a coherence that you cannot see on the hustle and bustle of the street below.
So is it really possible alien life exists in some kind of parallel universe? And even if it did, how could they travel to our world?
Well, think about life in the universe. Scientists say the universe is so big, no one is ever going to be able to reach the Earth from the distant stars. There's an ultimate speed limit. You cannot go faster than the speed of light. However, Albert Einstein introduced the concept of wormholes.
Wormholes? No, not the mound of earth messing your lawn, but rather strange doorways between different dimensions. And to travel through one, you have to fly into a black hole.
There is a theory that says that when things fall into a black hole, they get blown out the other end. The other end of a black hole is a white hole. A white hole where matter spews out.
If this theory is right, it could be that black holes are a link between a vast number of other universes.
Think of a soap bubble. We live on the skin of a soap bubble that's expanding. But if you vibrate the soap bubble, it buds. It sprouts a baby soap bubble. And all of a sudden, you have two soap bubbles. So we do think that perhaps our universe coexists with other soap bubbles, perhaps connected by black holes. And there's not a universe, but a multiverse of universes.